What is the eCEO in Invtron DAO? Let's imagine a new kind of venture capital organization. This venture capital is managed by the crowd, powered by the blockchain, and designed to fund startups. It takes its decisions based on collective intelligence. Welcome to Invtron DAO. In Invtron DAO, governance is shared among three roles: the token holders, the endorsers, and the eCEO. The eCEO is not your typical corporate executive. They're elected by the DAO community to represent it in the real world. They review proposals from the endorsers, ensures the proposal feasibility. After endorsers' approval, it goes to the community vote. Once the community approves, the eCEO handles any off-chain paperwork, then releases the funds. Don't worry, the eCEO isn't a king. They serve at the will of the DAO. If the community loses trust in them, they can be changed democratically. Why Invtron DAO needs the eCEO? Because DAOs operate digitally, but many startups live in the real world. The eCEO becomes the legal bridge, signing partnership agreements, managing regulatory filings, and helping the DAO stay compliant. To recap, the eCEO is nominated by endorsers, elected by token holders, and operates under community rules to execute DAO-approved investments in the real world. In Invtron DAO, decisions come from the community, and the eCEO helps make them real. That's the power of decentralized leadership.